everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm embarrassed to say, but I don't know the last time this oven door was cleaned. It can be such a daunting task, but today I'm going to show you a quick way to clean the glass and door in 15 minutes or less. Start by filling a bowl with the hottest tap water you can get. Then take a finished dishwasher tab and unwrap it. Put on some gloves to protect your skin and then drop the red power ball in the bowl of hot water. I'm not really sure if using the red power ball makes a difference or not, but I put it in there for good measure. Dip the white surface of your dishwasher tab in the water and then gently begin scrubbing the glass with a tab. Don't press down too hard as the tab will break. I found that the tab will break apart over the course of your cleaning process as more and more water is getting absorbed into it, as is intended to do in the dishwasher. So if that happens, you can make the decision to keep using the broken pieces or grab another tab. I wiped the door clean a couple of times throughout this process once it got messy so that I could see what I still needed to tackle. After I was done with the glass, I also used this method to clean the ceramic part of the oven door. Once you think you're done, wipe down the door and glass with water until all of the residue from the tab is removed. Then give it a good spray with a water and vinegar solution to give it a streak-free shine. I was completely amazed how well this method worked, and it took me a total of 12 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!